in assembly, and it is also a big achievement, I think so. And others, we have some commitment that if the government comes, we will do this and this. Our industry chambers meeting is also over. In our situation in Bengal, flood-like situation is there, and already because of 4-5 days the bad rain, the people are suffering. That also we are working day and night. After that, there are some system collapse in Bengal, from financial angle to administrative angle, administration to education, education to health. It is very difficult to restore the normalcy within a month, but we are trying our best. You see that before election it was a complaint that if after 34 years change there may be a bloodbath and all this, but credit must goes to our people that we are maintaining total law and order situation peacefully, and though so many arms every day, our administration rescued, so many skeleton is being rescued. No other state will find this type of things. Instead of that, our people are very quiet, means the Bengal people, and credit should go to them within a month. We are trying to restore the normalcy because our administration, because of 34 years one party rule, it's just politicized like anything. Education level, if you see, from A to Z, health system, the administration system. Now we said we want to see the impartial administration, impartial education system, impartial the health system. That's why we are working day and night for that. And there are so many issues what we have done already. I am not going to discuss into in details. Then you have to give me more and more time.
Mamta ji, are you for PM to be included under the Lokpal or not?
I think it's a big question what you ask me. Whether PM is included or Chief Justice is included, it hardly matters to me. I know that PM is an honest man. Matter is not for any individual. I believe, this is my personal opinion. When the matter will be coming, we can discuss into in detail. But when you ask me the question inside the press conference, I can give you my casual reply like this. Though I am not casual in this matter. I am very serious. Do you think that only one person inclusion will give you the result and it will give you the fight against the corruption? No. First, you see, our system is to be changed. Number one, start from political situation to administrative situation. I am fighting this battle from the beginning. Let the election commission start the electoral reforms. I want state funding of election. If you allow fully state funding of election, then corruption may be curbed. Number two, yes, you bring the money from the outside. Bring the money from outside, whoever is there. I don't want to say he is E, A or she is B. I want to say A to Z, bring back the money. There should not be any compromise or anything. Number three, always we consider the quantity, not the quality. Sometimes I feel the performance of the officials and the administration should be reviewed time to time. Who are the good people? Let them give the main opportunity to work for the country. And number two, our vigilance should be very strong and strengthened. And our administration who will monitor, coordinate with the government machinery to other machinery. That machinery we have to strong, otherwise there will be nothing. Only one day a meeting or one version cannot give you the result. It's a continuous process, and that continuous process, if you want to fulfill, then let us give a comprehensive package for that. A collective package where A to Z, all the lacuna should be restored and we can combat all the lacuna. It hardly matters whether you include Prime Minister, whether you include Justice. If include everybody you include, I have no problem. I have no problem. But please see, if you ask me cameraman to write the story, I cannot. The jurisdiction is different. If you ask a cameraman to go for news, Manoranjan Bharti is saying something, he is a reporter, he can give the report. But cameramen cannot give the report. Sometimes they give, because it is their experience, they are working, that's why. So everywhere there is a jurisdiction. There must be a jurisdiction limit. If you tell me all the politicians are corrupt and only one person can lead the country, tell them to join the politics and tell them to fight the battle directly. I will be very happy to see.
विक्रांत, दीदी मैं कुमार विक्रांत सिंह एनडीटीवी से। सवाल ये है कि जब आप मुख्यमंत्री नहीं थी, आप केंद्र में मंत्री थी, जब भी महंगाई बढ़ने की बात आती थी, पेट्रोल के दाम बढ़ने की बात आती थी, आप कैबिनेट में आवाज उठाती थी। मंत्री आपके मुख्यमंत्री बनने के बाद आप सोनिया गांधी जिस दिन मिलने गई थी वहां पर भी उसके तुरंत बाद दाम बढ़ गए, पेट्रोल के, डीजल के दाम बढ़ाए जाने की तैयारी है, रसोई गैस के दाम बढ़ाए जाने की तैयारी है। आपको मुख्यमंत्री कुर्सी मिल गई, उसके बाद आप चुप क्यों हो गए? और अगला कदम क्या होगा कि केंद्र सरकार?
लेकिन आपका बात सुन के भाई झगड़ा करने जाएंगे? आप क्या चाहते हो? आप क्या चाहते हैं?
महंगाई कम हो, दाम ना बढ़े।
हम चाहते हैं, हम भी चाहते हैं, आप भी चाहते हैं। इसी के लिए आपका साथ हमारा कोई फर्क नहीं है। You cannot guide me.
पहले आप झगड़ा करती थी, अब नहीं करती।
अभी भी करते हैं। कैसे करते हैं मैं आपको दिखा के नहीं करेंगे। सभा पे ही है।
Ma'am, this is Krishna from ABN Andhra Jyoti.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, Sheila first, please go ahead.
On mic is on.
Ma'am,
Yeah, okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Mamta ji, I am Sheila Bhatt from rediff.com. I wanted to know that since Trinamool Congress is a very important ally of UPA, and within Congress party there are Digvijay Singh has said that Rahul Gandhi has all the ingredients to be elements to become a good prime minister. Being an important UPA ally, what are your views? Are you ready to work with him if and when he takes up the leadership, as suggested by Digvijay Singh?
You see that I love this family. I have a very good relation with Rajiv ji. Please bear with me. And I have a very good relation with Sonia ji, Rahul, Priyanka, all. I love this family. But who will be their prime minister? It is their prerogative and their choice. It is the internal matter of the Congress party. I cannot guide them or we cannot advise them. In our democratic setup, the majority will decide who will be their leader or who will be their minister. It is absolutely Congress party choice. If they allow it, we as a partner of this government, we will support the UPA government. That is our stand.
Please.
This is Krishna from ABN Andhra Jyoti. As you are the important and major ally in UPA too, what's your stand on Telangana issue? On the other side, you are suggesting some packages and council to the Gorkhaland. What is your stand on Telangana?
Do you know that Gorkhaland, Darjeeling, they said we want Switzerland. So Telangana also, you say me the good word, I can give you the word. I can give you substitute word. I love Andhra Pradesh and I love Telangana also. They are all our brother and sister. I think let them sort out the problem. I should not interfere in their business. It won't look nice.
Madam, this is, I'm a journalist from Bangladesh and I want to take the liberty of asking you a question in Bengali.
হ্যাঁ আপনি বাংলায় বলুন।
আচ্ছা, আপনি যখন রেলওয়ে মন্ত্রী ছিলেন, আমার নাম শফিকুল করিম, আপনি যখন রেলওয়ে মন্ত্রী ছিলেন তখন দিল্লির একটা খুব নামকরা কাগজে ছাপা হয়েছিল যে বাংলাদেশের সাথে যে এনকেলগুলো সমস্যা রয়েছে, পানি সমস্যা রয়েছে, এই সমস্যাগুলো সমাধান তখনই সম্ভব যদি মমতা ব্যানার্জি ইলেকশনে জিতে আসতে পারেন। এখন আপনি পশ্চিমবঙ্গে ইলেকশনে করে জিতে এসছেন, ম্যাসিভ ভোট নিয়ে এসছেন, এখন আপনি কি করছেন আমাদের জন্য, বাংলাদেশের লোকদের জন্য?
বাংলাদেশকে আমরা খুব ভালোবাসি তো, অলওয়েজ ভালোবাসি। বাংলাদেশ যখন এই ব্যাপারে আমার সাথে কথা বলবে আমরা নিশ্চয়ই কথা বলবো, নিশ্চিন্তে থাকুন।
Will you please translate it? Will you please translate it?
He asked me that you are now you have got massive mandate, so what you will do for Bengal, for water agreement and for development of the railway and all this. I said we have a very good relation with them. When they will talk to me, I will.
Go ahead, you sit up. Yeah. Please hold the mic from below, yaar.
ভালো করে মাইকে ধরো।
Yeah.
Madam Chief Minister, I'm Chitrita, as you know me. I just wanted to ask, during election campaign and even when you were the railway minister, many times you went to the, Home Ministry to withdraw the joint forces which have been working for combating the Maoists. Now that you have become the chief minister of the state, will you, like a policy, tell the centre to withdraw the joint forces who are combating Maoists and the Jungle Mahal? And when will you meet Chidambaram on this?
I think you belong to a channel, I know, where CPM belonging is more. Ma'am, it may be. I don't mind for that. I know the existence. It's okay. You asked me the political program, political point of view, from the political point of view. I'm giving you the reply. It's the internal matter of the security matter. When this matter will come to discuss, then I'll let you know. But I cannot tell you the matter right now, because now Jungle Mahal is peaceful. Please let them be peaceful. Don't create the confusion.
Yes, Anita.
Anita Katyal from the Tribune. Mamtaji, this is a related question. I just wanted to ask you, do you have any plans to open dialogue with the Maoists?
I have not received any request. The government, there is a system that if anybody wants to say something, then only any discussion may took place. So when I will receive the request, if it is not if and but, if the government receives any official communication, we will let you know. And I said always the problem may be solved within negotiation, talking. It's a great, if both the sides agree to solve the problem, then it can be solved.
Hello, madam. Yeah. My name is Sanjeev Srivastava. I am writing these days for First Post and Rajasthan Patrika. Can I ask you one question? When you were contesting in the run-up to the campaign, everybody who was opposed to you used to say that don't vote for Mamta because she is the most unpredictable woman politician, she is the most whimsical, she is the most temperamental. What did you used to think then? And has that played on your mind when you have kind of, if you'll permit us to say, that you have kind of not been acting in that manner ever since you took over? Have you daily in the morning, do you think that I have to be correct and proper and not given to what the critics said? Your comments.
I think you have started the yoga class here.
No, madam. Sorry.
Type of yoga.
Type.
How to free the mental tension and all this.
नहीं मैडम क्योंकि आप
I'll join your class, no problem.
But आपके दिमाग में ये रहता था कि जब लोग सब कहते थे कि वो ऐसा करेंगे.
लोग तो कह सकता है. It's a democracy. Anybody can say whatever they have their own opinion. Anybody can express their views. What is the harm? Let them express their views. देखो, you can fool all the people all the time. You can for the time being. You can fool some of the people some of the time. You cannot fool all the people all the time. That is your prediction. That prediction is wrong.
No, madam, sorry. I was only saying that you have actually proved them wrong. You have misunderstood.
That's why I said I didn't misunderstand you. It is your prerogative. You can ask me the question. I said there was a propaganda. There may be some case. Let them. It is also their democratic right. One day they will realize what is wrong and what is what. It's a matter of renunciation and the realization.
Thank you very much.
अपनी बोशो, you please take your seat. Senior man, आप बैठ के करो. आप बैठ के करिए ना. बैठने आप.
ऑन तो करिए साहब और नीचे पकड़ो.
आप थोड़ा उसको मदद कर दो ना.
Mamta Didi, namaskar. You are so attractive, so vigorous, and so active also. And you are so strong that you could demolish a citadel. Tell me, what is your daily diet?